Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead video. If you're new here, I am always searching the internet trying to find the best work from home jobs, and I bring them to you on a daily basis. So if you have not already subscribed and turned those notifications on, you might want to do that if you don't want to miss another uploaded video from me. But with that being said, we're going to keep today's video as short as we can. We have 3 different job leads, all hiring remote work from home, and they are hiring globally. So not only can this be for my United States folks, but this can be for all of my international folks, no matter what country you live in. So let's just dive on in. The first company we have is called Some of Us, and they are hiring an executive assistant. This is remote anywhere in the world. Now, a little bit about them. It says that they're a global movement of consumers, investors, and workers that are standing together to hold corporations accountable for their actions and forgo a new and sustainable path for their global economy. And so they are looking for someone to coordinate executive communications, including taking calls, responding to emails, taking notes in meetings, and interfacing with program and funding partners or other internal or external stakeholders, someone to organize and maintain the director's email, calendars, files, and notes, someone to schedule meetings and appointments and manage the travel itineraries, someone to support other administrative functions such as completing timesheets, and someone to uphold a strict level of confidentiality. Now, they are looking for someone who is dedicated to building a fairer and more sustainable global economy, someone who has experience as an executive assistant or a similar role, someone who can manage multiple products simultaneously, so a multitasker, someone who has great verbal and written communication skills, someone who has proficiency with technology. If you have experience in Google Workspaces, Zoom, Slack, or LastPass, that is a plus, and someone who can be keen to learn and develop new skills. For this position, the pay is always going to be dependent on the location that you're in and the skills, but for the U.S., it says they will pay between $69,000 and $80,200 a year. It does not say what they would pay in other countries, if the pay would be the same. They do offer stipends for home office setups, as well as other benefits. Now, they do have a complete section right here on how to apply. I will leave this job as well as all the others linked down in the description below. Now, I did a little bit of research on Some of Us, and now, while Wikipedia cannot always be believed as 100% truth, this company does have their own Wikipedia page, which makes me believe that they are very legit. Next up, we have the company Cargo One hiring a head of customer support. Now, they are hiring worldwide. It says they're open to you being based in any country on this growing list. It does include Canada, Egypt, Finland, Italy, Japan, Kenya is included, Malaysia, Nigeria, South Africa, South Korea, Turkey, United States. This company pretty much hires from any country other than it says that they cannot hire from Germany right now at this time. But they are looking for someone to lead a remote team across 6 different European time zones, hire, onboard, and develop great talent, someone to coach and train the team to the best service to their customers, someone to build their team's operating systems and workflows, someone to be their customers' champions, and any other duties that arise. So you will basically be the supervisor or head of the customer service department. They are looking for someone who likes delivering happiness every morning for breakfast, someone who is passionate about software and people, someone who has skills in Salesforce or Zendesk, someone who has great verbal and written English communication skills, and ideally they want someone who has worked in customer support before. Now, while they do not list the pay for this position, they do have some benefits listed, and one of those benefits is that you will get a MacBook, ThinkPad, the choice is yours. Whatever helps you get the job done, they've got you covered. They will make sure you have a fully remote setup to work with. And last but not least, Wikimedia Foundation is hiring a community facilitator. They are hiring worldwide, but are really looking for someone from the Middle East or North Africa. They're looking for someone to be engaging with their communities and affiliates in the Middle East and North Africa directly in their language and working with local ambassadors. They are looking for someone to motivate volunteers and affiliates to participate in movement processes, someone to organize the community conversations, giving feedback and addressing the community, someone to collaborate with their facilitators and volunteers, and someone who can draft and distribute information. So they're looking for someone who not only has great written and oral English skills, but you also need to have great written and oral Arabic skills. So I believe that is why they are really looking right across the Middle East. Someone who has a good knowledge of social, economical, and political context, and they are also looking for someone who can be collaborative. Now, unfortunately, they do not list the pay for this position. You would have to ask them at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If these job leads were not a great fit for you, have no fear. I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.